What up guys, for today's video, I will show you how to fix a PSP that is not turning on. Kahit ginanon nyo pa yung PSP, walang power. So first things first, check the battery. If your battery is bloated, that means sira na yung battery. Kaya ayaw mag-power on ng PSP kasi bloated na yung battery. Need na siya itapon. So kung meron kayong extra battery, ilagay nyo lang dito. Kung wala, bibili kayo online, which is tumagal ng ilang weeks. Kung meron kayong extra, ilalagay nyo lang pag ganito. Ayan. Tapos babalik yung back cover. Ayan. So, i-slide na natin to pag ganito. Once nag-ilaw na yung power, that is good. That is a good sign. Nag-power on na yung PSP, oh. Good sign. Ayan. Okay, off na natin. What if nagpalit na ako ng battery, wala pa ring power yung PSP ko, ayaw pa rin mag-turn on. So, ang sira niyan is yung power switch. Ito yung itsura ng power switch. Yan yung itsura. Nasira na. Need na siya palitan. So, punta lang kayo sa nearest tech nyo or kilala nyo yung tech. Pa-replace nyo lang yung power switch. Actually, minsan kasi yung mga tech, magsasabi yan na bibili ka ng, kung magpapayos ka, magdala ka ng power switch. Tapos kami na magkakabit. So, pakabit mo lang yung binili mong power switch. Ipatest mo doon. Once nag-ilaw na sa bagong power switch, that means yung power switch yung issue. Kasi kadalasan ng PSP na ayaw mag-turn on. Minsan, power switch yung issue eh. Yung power switch dito, yung maliit na board, yung pinakita ko kanina. Yan yung issue eh. And another thing, pag ayaw mag-turn on ng PSP mo, sometimes it could be an issue with this right here. Remove lang natin to. It could be the issue of the contacts right here. Minsan, madumi na or sira na. So, need na rin to i-resolder at palitan ng bago. Itong mga pins na to. So, yan lang din. What if, nag-power on naman yung PSP ko, pero ayaw mag-charge? Kung ganyan, need na palitan yung charger. Baka sira na yung charger nyo. Or, if not, sira na yung power jack. Itong charger jack. So, need na siya palitan. If wala pa rin, napalitan na ng bagong charger at charger jack na bago, wala pa rin, kailangan na tanggalin yung board, yung sa loob, yung connector. Tanggalin, tapos i-resolder. Kuha ka ng parang port sa donor board, tapos ilagay mo sa board mo. At pag nag-charge na, that means good. So, yan lang. Yan lang yung basic steps, guys. Kung paano ayusin yung PSP na ayaw mag-turn on. So, thank you sa panonood. At bye-bye.